we would like to see three more questions regarding friction. Let us see the first question. Let the frictional force of F is equal to 2x square minus x plus 1 newtons acts on the block of mass m. Then find out the position where frictional forces are minimum. So from the yesterday's class, we concluded what frictional forces are independent of the position, but it will depend on nature of the materials which are in contact, and also depends on the temperature of the surfaces which are in contact. But it is an interesting problem. In this particular case, we have the frictional force magnitude F is equal to, given that a function of 2x square minus x plus 1 given. We need to find out the minimum. Whenever a function, mathematical function is there and asking for us to find out maxima and minima in a given problem, definitely you have to take care of the first order differential of the function. So df by dx, you have to do the first order differential. That is called as f dash. So therefore f dash is equal to df by dx. Upon doing differentiation of this function, we got the value of 4x minus 1. This is the first order differential we have. Now, well, let us try to do one more differentiation, f double dash. F double dash means d square f by dx square, which is also called as df by or d by dx of, again df by dx we have to do. This value will give you 4. So from this, if the f double dash value, we have a positive and negative. If f double dash value will be positive, means we will get a minimum point. If f double dash value are getting negative, means we are getting a maxima value. So in this particular case, we are getting f double dash value as 4, means a positive value greater than 0 we are getting. That means we are getting what value? Minima value at that location. So to get the minima or maxima, you have to equate this f dash value equal to 0. So therefore, let us take it equal to 0. That means 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 1 by 4 meters. That means at exactly x is equal to 1 by 4 meter, we are getting a minimum point in this particular solution. Now, let us see the question number 2 for this particular problem. An object of mass 2 kg initially moving with 2 meters per second, now it is changed to 4 meters per second on rough surface of coefficient of friction, kinetic friction 0.3. Then the modified frictional forces are given by. So how to solve this particular puzzle? Let us see. In the given problem, here is the block having mass of m. Coefficient of friction is nothing but mu k, uniformly moving with the speed of u. Then the coefficient of frictional forces are Fk is equal to, you can write down as mu into normal reaction. By preparing free body diagram for this particular block, so block is moving in this direction and frictional forces are Fk in this direction, and this is the applied force you can think. Acceleration A is equal to 0 because it is moving uniformly here. In the case 1, now mg we can write down, and normal reaction will be like this. But when you increase the applied force, what happens? Net acceleration does not become 0, it has certain value. But in acceleration either 0 previously or acceleration not equal to 0 in the second case. In the two cases, if this Fk magnitude is not changes, that Fk value is mu into Nk, mu k here we can write down. Mu k value how much we have here in your problem? 0.3. 0.3 into normal reaction. Normal reaction is nothing but mg. Mass of object how much given here? Mass of object is 2 kg given in the problem, into g not given means you have to take 9.8. So upon doing multiplication, you will get this particular value in newtons. Now let us see the next question number 3 for the friction. As per the figure, find out the acceleration of block on the rough surface of coefficient of friction mu. So in the given problem, there is a block over the rough surface and it is being connected to the massless pulley over an ideal string like this, and pulley being pulled with the force of F. Now the concept is that we need to compute or we need to calculate the value of acceleration of this particular block. How to find out this? Let's see the solution. Now For the pulley, free body diagram for pulley given by, see, this is the pulley and this is the applied force what we can take it. Now in this particular case, this is T and this is T we can take. In such a case, the value of F is equal to, can write down as 2T. Now when you consider the free body diagram for block M, so it is being pulled in this direction with the tension of P, and back side, I mean at this side we have the frictional forces of Fk because kinetic friction. This is the gravitation force mg, normal reaction, and like this we can write down. Now further what we write down here is acceleration finally we can indicate towards the tension direction. Upon substitution, m into a is equal to T minus Fk we can write down. Therefore ma is equal to, tension T is nothing but what, F by 2. Therefore you can write down as F by 2 minus coefficient of kinetic friction is mu, and normal reaction value we have write down like this. Upon substitution, acceleration A is equal to F minus 2 mu into mg divided by 2m. So this is going to be the correct answer for the question.